welcome to the Squirrel Tail. Today I'm going to show you how to make a screwdriver for a flintlock to tighten your flint. And I'm doing it out of an old hay tine from a hay rake. I bought this, I think I got it at a flea market, or someone might have given it to me. But yeah, I'm going to show you how to make a screwdriver out of it. So the first thing I'm going to do is thin out the front, the tip. This will be for the loop at the end. So I'm using this hammer because it does a better job at thinning it out quickly. Now I'm going to fold the tip here and make it into a really tiny curl. So now I'm going to bend it over like this. And the next step, I'll form my loop. So I bent it around the horn. I'm gonna kind of straighten it out so it's parallel with it. I might have to do that again. Your repeat. So now I'm kind of straightening and flattening out the part that will actually be the screwdriver itself. My next step, I'm going to cut it. So now that it's cut, I'm going to flatten this part out and work it into a respectful shape. So now it's like that. I'm going to have to shape that in with the file, so now I'm going to put a twist in it. So now I'm going to put a twist in it. I'm going to put this end in a vise. And I'm going to twist it 180 degrees. I'm only going to do a 180 degree twist. I don't think it needs a... Yeah. Oh yeah, 180. So that's what it's looking like. Go back to the anvil and do a straighten anything out. So here's how it's looking. I definitely have some straightening that, or some, I'm probably going to trim this a good bit shorter. Actually, I can do that here. So I'm going to hot chisel that. So, just want to thin out that edge a little bit. And work it to a point. And that's what you have there. Now the last step I do is gonna be tempering it. Or annealing it, but I'll have a video to my heat treat series. So I'm just gonna pack it in my coals, give her a couple cranks to get it kind of warm. Now I'm gonna unhook the air and let it cool off. And then this will make sure that that steel is really soft, so it'll be easy to file. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe for more great content, and check out our Instagram page at @SquirrelTailShow.